These trees are gorgeous. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, time to catch up to my honey. Let's see if we can find him. Can we find him? Can we find him? There he is. There he is. He's right there. Oh yeah, much harder to see the birds now than in the spring. Anybody know the call of this bird trying to sing for us? Spectacular! Have any of you ever been to Point Pelee? If you have, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what was your favorite part at Point Pelee National Park. Was it the boardwalk? Was it the hiking trails? Are you a camper here? What's your favorite part? Is it this green muck where there'd be a ton of mosquitoes? Hoi, oi, oi. Definitely watch where you walk. It's all part of the ecosystem, y'all. All part of it. We gotta protect it. We gotta enjoy it. Nature as it was intended. So gorgeous. A chair for two? Is it for me and him? A chair for two. What do you say? Perfect place to rest. Let's see. Is it? How long before a mosquito bites me? Oh, it's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I think that's where we'll sit for a few minutes. I do. I'm going to sit there. Will you join me? Oi, oi, oi. Oh, yes. Ah, yeah. Check out that view. Listen to that nature. Soak it in, y'all.